Morning, Mr. Cat just woke up. One eye open, still judging life, still sleepy. Stretch, tiny yawn. He blinks twice, thinks, do I even want this dawn? Such a stressful life for a little fur king. All this yawning, all this thinking, much thinking. From the pillow to the window, then right back flat. It's hard work being Mr. Cat. First thing, brush time, of course. Even Miss Diva cares about his floss. Then breakfast, fresh milk, perfect sip. He inspects the bowl with that royalty lip. Now it's time to work, very urgent naps, very big decisions taken on laps. Such a stressful life for a little fur king. All this yawning, all this thinking,
exhausting.
typing dreams into the air, sending sleep mail drafts. It's hard work being Mr. Cat. Very busy cat. So many emails, so many blank screens, so many long tails. Clock hits noon, he retires to the rug. Oh yeah, heart full of drama, brain set to snug. Such a stressful life for a little fur king. All this yawning, all this thinking.
What a drag.
From the inbox to the food bowl, then right back flat. It's hard work being Mr. Cat. It's hard, so hard being Mr. Cat.